Assalamualaikum to everybody. So today we from the Newman Group would like to present to you all about the 7 type of reaction in the organic chemistry. There are 7 types of organic reaction. First are addition, second substitution, third is elimination, fourth is rearrangement, fifth is oxidation, sixth is reduction, and the last one is condensation. First, I would like to explain about addition. It is limited to chemical compounds that have multiple bonds such as alkenes or alkynes. This is the general reaction mechanism. We have to understand it in order to know how does it work. Next, it is substitution reaction. It is also known as single displacement reaction. One functional group in a chemical compound is replaced by another functional group. A nucleophile attack and replace the weaker nucleophile, making it become a living group. There are 2 mechanisms of substitution. First, RSN1 and second, RSN2. This is the general reaction mechanism for SN1. The living group departs forming a carbon cation in the slow reaction. And then the nucleophile attach to the carbon cation and form a covalent sigma bond, which is a fast reaction. Next, we move on to SN2. It only differs a little bit from SN1, which nucleophilic attack and expulsion of living group happen simultaneously. Next is elimination reaction. 2 substituents are removed from a molecule in either a 1 or 2-step mechanism. 1-step mechanism is known as E2, while the 2-step mechanism is known as E1. E1 reaction consists of 2 steps. The first step is ionization, where the carbon-halogen bond breaks to give a carbon cation intermediate, and the second step where deprotonation of the carbon cation. So this is the step that I've mentioned just now. We proceed to the E2 reaction. It only has 1 step with a single transition state. Typically use a strong base. It must be strong enough to remove weakly acidic hydrogen. So, this is the general reaction mechanism. The 4th reaction is rearrangement. Reaction in which an atom or bond moves or migrates, having been initially located at one site in a reactant molecule and ultimately located at different site in the product molecule. This is the example of rearrangement. You can notice that cyclohexaoxime and caprolactam have the same molecular formula. Oxidation reaction. The reactant loses a proton or has an increase of oxidation state. Compounds that can be oxidized can also be reduced, and they are usually reversible. Oxidation agents are commonly used as reagent. Primary alcohol can be oxidized into aldehyde and can also be oxidized into carboxylic acid. Reduction reaction. It is opposite of oxidation reaction. The reactant accepts an H atom which decreases in oxidation state. It involves reducing agent, which hydrogen gas and metal catalyst, hydrozonium ion and hydride transfer reagent. This is the general reaction mechanism. We have reached the last reaction, which is condensation. 2 molecules or moieties combine to form a larger molecule together with the loss of a small molecule. Most of it follow the nucleophilic substitution mechanism. So this is the general reaction where we need to understand them. That all from us from the Newman Group. We would like to thank you all for your time and your concentration when we gave you the presentation. Thank you.
Created using Powtoon.